Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel. Today we will build smooth scrolling on our page. Now when I click on this button section 1, a section will scroll smoothly. See, now when I click on this second button, section 2 will scroll smoothly on our page. This is the project. Let's go and build this one. I'm in Visual Studio Code Editor. I have three files: index.html, style.css, and app.js. First, we'll write markup. For that, go to index.html. Here, exclamation mark and hit enter. Here, change title. Now, link CSS file. Now, link JavaScript file. Inside body tag, we'll create a header tag. Inside this header, we'll create two buttons. Button with ID, btn, section 1. Another button with ID, btn, section 2. After this header tag, we'll create two sections. Write some text. After this, another section with ID section 2 and write some text here as well. And save this file and go to the browser. I'm using live server. See, this is our markup, our buttons and sections. Now we'll style our markup. Go to editor. Here on this tab, right click and select split right. Here, select style file. First, I'll give some basic styles. Now, we will style our header tag. We directly selected the header here. We do not give any class or ID. I'll increase the height 100 viewport height and padding all sides 100 pixels. Now save this and go to the browser. See, this is our header. Inside our header we have two buttons. We'll style those buttons. We gave IDs btn section 1 and section 2. Here we will increase the font size 20 pixels and some padding 10 pixels all sides. Now save this one and go to the browser. See, these are our buttons. Okay, now we will style our sections. We gave ID section 1 and here I'll increase the height so that we can see the scrolling clearly, 1000 pixels, and background color cyan, and font size 100 pixels. Same for the section 2 as well. So I'm copying this one, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Here just change the number 1 to 2 and here background color also yellow green. Now save this one, go to the browser. See, this is our section 1 and section 2. We want to scroll these sections smoothly. For that, go to editor and select JavaScript file and close this file window, Ctrl V. First we will access all elements we need. Now we will add click event listeners for our buttons. For that, btn section 1 dot add event listener, click and write a callback method. Here, when we click this button, we want to scroll section 1. So select section 1 dot crawl into view is the method, and this method has many overloaded versions. Okay, and one of them is we can pass an object, and here there is a property called behavior, and give smooth. Okay, then our section will scroll smoothly. Second button also the same code, so I'm just copying this, Control C and Control V, and change the button name here 1 to 2, and the section also 1 to 2, and save this file and go to the browser. Now see, when I click on this first button, it is scrolling smoothly. When I click on the second one, see, this is how we can add smooth scrolling on our page. I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to my channel.